Welcome guys. In today's video we're talking about the KieDex Testnet. Alright, KieDex Testnet is a next generational crypto future platform designed to drive fast execution through its trade to earn mode. Alright, and this testnet is very easy to do. It's very easy to farm. You don't have to be active on the platform and you are good to go. Okay, you trade and earn some free tokens. Alright, this testnet costs you $0. Okay, you're not paying any single thing to start this project. You are starting with $0. They're giving you free testnet token to get started. Okay, but before we dive in, kindly hit the subscribe button if you're your first time on this channel, and also don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends and loved ones. If you're watching on Facebook, kindly hit the follow button and let's dive in. So let's go. Come to the project, copy the link. If you are on the Telegram channel, copy the link and then hand over to your Trust Wallet, any Web3 wallet at all. Trust Wallet, OKS, anyone can serve. Alright, now I'm using my OKS. Alright, so once you open your OKS wallet, you can either sign up with your Google account or with your email account, and then you create a password. Alright, so that is how it goes. So if you're already on the platform, just proceed by signing in immediately. So I already have the account, so I'm going to paste in this link now. You paste the link, allow it to load up. Alright, then you continue, allow it to load. Alright, like I said before, if you already have the account, it's going to take you to the page immediately. But if you don't, click on sign up, create your account and proceed. Alright, so here we are on the platform, and this is a trading platform. You trade with your testnet token, okay, and you claim your reward every single day on a daily basis. So now we are on this page. You click on, you can see the trade, you can see the reward, you can see tax, you can see more. Alright, so when you click on more, okay, come to settings. First of all, set up your username, then you save it up. Okay, you can also enable your authenticator. All right, so let's go back, come to your tax. So on this particular place now, you're going to see claim. Okay, you claim these things on daily basis. All right, then you will see the tax for you to complete. Okay, these are tasks to complete on the platform. Okay, all these things are free tasks to complete. You can see them here. Complete every single thing and you're good to go. Alright, when you follow them on S, you come to this place and paste in your S account username. Also the same thing with Telegram, paste in your username account here, and then you claim your points, you claim the token. Alright, so that's it. You can see here, this is about volume. Okay, so the more you trade, the higher your reward, the higher your volumes. Okay, you can see them. I've done some of them already today. I'm going to do some of them also. So now when you come to trade, you click on trade. All right, click on trade. So you can trade with, you can just long or short. All right, long and short, anyone at all, you long and short. Okay, so you can also use the 50s leverage. All right, either use 25%, 50, 75 or 100%, anyone can serve. Okay, just put in the amount you should have. Okay, now this is the gas fee, 5,000 oils. Okay, now for you to get this oil, you click on recharge. We don't have enough, click on recharge, and then if it's available, you can be able to claim. Okay, you can see them here. All right, you can see them here. So this is the highest one, click on it. Not available, insufficient ETH balance on this network. Okay, not available, nothing is here. So you come back later and check if it's available. Just click on recharge oil here, connect your wallet, and then you claim. All right, once you click on recharge oil here, you are good to go. Okay, so that's not much thing here. Just trade on daily basis, do your tasks. You can see your points here, you can see your killers. Okay, you can see your USDT. This is free token, not the real money. This is Testnet token. Okay, it's not free. All right, so just be active on the platform and you are good to go. Okay, be active on the platform and you are good to go. So when you trade every day, you can see your rank. Okay, you can see your rank. When you trade every day, just click on claim, then you claim the tokens, you claim your bonus. You can see here, reset in 10 hours time from now. Okay, just come to this place and claim any token you do, any token you have. Okay, so this is a free testnet. Participate and let's take position till the very last day. There's no project that is dead until they are shut down. Okay, no project that is dead until it's been shut down. All right, so just be active, complete your tasks, and you are good to go. Okay, if you like this video so far, just give thumbs up and also share to your loved ones. If you are first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Subscribe, turn on the notification, and stay updated. Whenever I do a video, you get notified immediately. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more exclusive updates concerning airdrops. Okay, so have a wonderful day and see you on the next one. Peace out.